may I ask you something on camera?
Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
Park ranger.
Park ranger?
Yeah.
Is it your dream job?
No.
No. What is?
Retirement. No.
What else will you do if you weren't what you do now?
Probably firefighting. Because you get to be outside. You get to be saving stuff.
Breathing fresh air.
Breathe in the smoke and fresh air. Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
Travel.
I have a cleaning business and a power washing business.
What is your dream job?
Probably own a couple apartment buildings and stuff, but it's a stepping stone to that. So,
Dream job, being a pilot. I'm working on getting my commercial pilot's license. Currently about 20 hours away from getting my PPL. After getting my PPL, I'm going to be working on getting my commercial pilot's license.
What do you do for a living? What's your job?
I'm an electrician.
Yeah? What about you?
Electrician too.
What's your dream job?
DREAMJOB. Strip club member.
A strip club member. Does someone pay you to be a strip club member?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you?
I like to be a pilot.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a dog groomer. I do dialysis treatments.
What if you had to choose anything else? Anything. Like any job in the world. What would you prefer?
Chef.
Okay, how about you? What would you choose? What job?
I just told her this. I would invent something so that when cars fall into any mass body of water, they can easily get out without having to wait for the car to sink. I'd invent that like once or twice and then just sit on my money the rest of my life.
What is it that you do for a living?
I work in insurance.
What would your dream job be?
Full-time music.
What do you do for a living?
I work at HBO marketing.
Marketing. Is it your dream job?
Yes. I wouldn't want to do anything else than the job I have currently. It's my dream job, as I said.
What I do for a living, I sell packages, plastic bags and papers.
Is this your dream job?
Yes, of course. I love sales.
What I do for a living, I'm a personal trainer. Is it my dream job? Yeah.
If you had to do anything else but different, what would you choose?
I'd be a teacher.
What do you do for a living?
I'm unemployed right now.
What about you?
I'm a school teacher.
Tell me your dream jobs.
I want to be a model.
For what?
Any brand, like Dior or any brand. I would love to do that. Yeah.
What about you?
I want to be an economist for the European Union.
So you don't want to be a school teacher?
No, I did it for 1 year. No more. I can't do it.
What do you do for a living?
I'm in education. In education in French Polynesia.
Is it your dream job?
Yes. Yes, I love my job. It's my dream job.
If you had to choose anything else but any other job, what would you choose?
Quelqu'un qui fait découvrir tous les spas du monde dans les hôtels et en faire la publicité. Voilà. Ça, c'est mon métier de rêve.
Merci beaucoup.
She's a student and I'm a teacher. I would like to be a doctor actually.
I'm a student.
I'm a student as well.
What is your dream job?
To be a doctor.
Doctor?
Yeah, same as.
And what if you had to choose anything else in the world?
Probably a Formula One driver.
I think I'd be a professional soccer player. That was my dream when I was a kid, so probably go for that.
I'd be the same, professional soccer player.
What do you do for a living?
I work in a software company and he has a shop, but we are not from here, we are from Italy.
Is it your dream job?
No. Definitely not.
What is your dream job?
Basketball player, maybe? Yes, I tried to play basketball when I was young, but I broke my ankle 2 times, and so I quit it.
What do you do for a living?
In Germany, like DMV in America, car registration.
Is it your dream job?
No, no.
If you can choose any job in the world, what would you prefer?
Soccer player.
What do you do for a living? What is your job?
I'm X-ray technician in France.
Is it your dream job?
No.
What is your dream job?
Wow. I think basketball player. Yeah, sportman. Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a personal trainer.
Is it your dream job?
Close to it. Yeah, maybe like a personal trainer for like a professional athlete would be my dream job.
What do you do for a living?
Social media manager.
Is this your dream job?
Part of it.
What's your actual dream job?
I guess be like a brand manager for a skateboarding brand.
What do you do for a living?
A truck driver.
Is it your dream job?
No, it is not.
What would be your dream job?
I would want to be retired. It's not my dream job, not to work at all.
What do you do for a living?
I work at a vintage clothing store.
What about you?
Piercing apprentice.
Yeah. Is it your dream job?
Nah,
So where would you want to work, or what would you want to do?
maybe like photography.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a student.
What is your dream job?
My dream job to be a housewife.
What do you do for a living?
I'm in sales.
Right. Is it your dream job?
Yes.
If you had to choose anything else in the world, what it would be?
A lottery winner.
Not bad.
Not bad, right?
Hi. I'm sorry, can I stop you for a second?